Charlie.
You're enjoying that way too much.
Me? This is the size I can mulch. 3 inches in diameter. I ain't forget about you, baby. Forget about you. Sir.
The bag is decent, but I think the inside got wet. So I don't know if the bag is mildew too. It's a bag in the sun. It's a decent bag, but a lot of the stuff in here is wet. Check the bag in the sun, let it dry. Probably have to take a brush or something to it. It got wheels on it.
Industrial ones. The big ones at the laundromat. The large ones that cost like $6. You just toss that shit in there. And then you dry it with no heat.
You've done it before?
Yeah.
It's a decent bag. It's just a lot of the stuff in it is wet.
I've
talking about.
I've taken like people when I do clean outs and they donate stuff to me. There's been plenty of
Brand new bag.
that didn't go for him. There's been plenty of people that donated like luggage and stuff, but it's coming from their basement where they added. Nice little hot water. What you think I should do with the I can't do nothing with that pole, you don't think?
It's always something you could do.
I know, right? I just don't be wanting to keep unnecessary shit.
Always something to do.
Cause I could cut where it's bent, right?
Huh?
I could cut where it's bent, right?
Yeah, hell yeah.
I just put that shit in the back.
With that same circular saw. Look at that. Yeah, the shit follow me.
Can't be like P. Diddy all in the video and shit.
Take that, take that, take that.
Come join Death Row. You don't want niggas in your videos?
You like that? You like that? Come on now. Precision cuts and shit.
I know that bitch is heavy. It's crazy, all these shits fell at the same time.
Ari, I think this is mine, ain't it?
I don't
Because when you put everything in the truck.
No, I put yours in the separate bin. So you might want to check your bin in the basement. 'Cause I don't know what's missing or what's not supposed to be in there.
Yes, here she is. Boy, long too.
Got me a little pebble. I caught myself eating from the garden last year. Take me some Swiss chard, a pepper, and a tomato.